Good morning. It represents a volatile start to the week as software markets react to new agentic capabilities. It is Monday, February 9th, 2026. Welcome to the DX Today AI Daily Brief. I'm your host. Today, we are tracking a significant sell-off in SaaS stocks triggered by Anthropic, while hardware giants AMD and Cisco double down on infrastructure. Let's look at the developments.
Anthropic has released enhanced plugins for its Claude Cowork AI platform, a move that is causing tremors in the stock market. These new tools are designed to automate complex workflows in legal, finance, sales, and marketing. Consequently, investors are expressing concern that AI agents might displace traditional enterprise software. This fear contributed to a sharp 7.5% drop in the S&P 500 Software and Services Index. Analysts suggest this marks a pivotal moment where AI-driven disruption is actively reshaping valuations across the SaaS ecosystem.
At the Cisco AI Summit, Box CEO Aaron Levie addressed the growing unease among investors following Anthropic's latest release. Levie's commentary highlights the persistent vulnerability enterprise software companies face as autonomous agents become more capable. The market is currently reassessing investment strategies, trying to determine which legacy platforms can adapt to an agent-first world. It represents a significant shift in sentiment regarding the long-term stability of the traditional subscription software model.
AppLovin is positioning itself as a leader in AI-enabled marketing. Data released today indicates their AI-powered Axon targeting engine is delivering a return on ad spend that is 45% higher than Meta and significantly outperforms emerging video platforms. The company has also expanded into web-based advertising for e-commerce, utilizing a self-service platform trained on its massive mediation data. This efficiency demonstrates a practical, high-value monetization of artificial intelligence in advertising, setting new benchmarks for how marketing budgets are allocated.
Robinhood is integrating advanced AI directly into retail trading with its new tool, Cortex. Available to Gold subscribers, Cortex analyzes news, reports, and ratings to explain stock movements in plain English. More significantly, it allows users to execute trades using natural language instructions. CEO Vlad Tenev describes the feature as having a world-class financial team in your pocket. This move signals a democratization of advanced financial analysis, challenging traditional brokerage models by placing institutional-grade insights into the hands of individual investors.
AMD has confirmed a major agreement with OpenAI. CEO Lisa Su stated that OpenAI will begin receiving the new MI450 GPUs in the second half of this year. These chips are critical for supporting a massive 6-gigawatt compute capacity expansion, estimated to involve between 3 and 6 million GPUs. Despite recent stock volatility, this order underscores the insatiable demand for AI accelerators. It also highlights AMD's strengthening position at a viable alternative in the chip race, even as supply chain pressures mount across the semiconductor industry.
At Embedded World 2026, Ambarella is showcasing its latest advancements in Edge AI. The focus is on moving from cloud-based agents to physical AI that operates within strict power and latency constraints. Their new ecosystem includes high-efficiency systems on chip and workflows designed for autonomous systems. By enabling sophisticated AI processing directly on devices rather than in data centers, Ambarella is targeting verticals that require high reliability, such as robotics and autonomous vehicles, expanding the AI footprint into the physical world.
The European Commission has launched the Nano-IC project, a strategic initiative designed to accelerate the development of next-generation semiconductors. The project specifically targets technologies essential for artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. This move is part of a broader effort to bolster Europe's hardware sovereignty, aiming to reduce reliance on American and Asian supply chains. By investing in scalable infrastructure, the EU hopes to secure a competitive foothold in the global production of the physical hardware that powers AI models.
Investors are closely monitoring Cisco as the company prepares to report earnings. The primary focus is on the execution of its AI infrastructure projects. As hyperscalers continue to pour capital into data centers, the networking layer becomes a critical bottleneck. Cisco's ability to deliver high-performance solutions is seen as a bellwether for the physical infrastructure layer of the global AI ecosystem. With volatility in the tech sector, the market is looking for concrete evidence that legacy networking giants can capture value from the current AI boom.
Goldman Sachs has begun deploying AI agents to handle complex compliance functions. This development is part of a wider trend where financial institutions are turning to automation to manage regulatory burdens. While these agents promise to significantly reduce operational costs, the shift raises important questions regarding accountability. The adoption of AI in such highly regulated sectors signals a maturation of the technology, moving it from experimental pilots to core business operations where precision is mandatory.
Napier has released a comprehensive report detailing the application of artificial intelligence in anti-money laundering processes. The findings suggest that AI is becoming indispensable for enhancing detection efficiency and managing the vast data flows in modern finance. As financial crimes become more sophisticated, the industry is relying on AI to identify patterns that human analysts might miss. This report underscores the growing necessity for purpose-built AI fintech compliance ecosystem.
NetEase is set to reveal its fourth quarter results, and analysts are keen to see how artificial intelligence is impacting the gaming industry. The earnings call is expected to shed light on how AI is altering game development cycles and competitive dynamics. As one of the key verticals for consumer AI adoption, gaming offers a glimpse into how generative technologies can be monetized. The results will likely influence broader market valuations for companies attempting to integrate AI into interactive media.
Shares of Kuaishou have plunged 11% following regulatory fines for inappropriate content. This drop exacerbates the broader weakness seen in the technology sector today. The crackdown highlights the ongoing risks associated with AI-driven content platforms, particularly regarding moderation and compliance. As AI lowers the barrier for content creation, platforms face increasing pressure to police their ecosystems. This incident serves as a reminder of the regulatory friction points that exist for AI video platforms operating in strict jurisdictions. That wraps up today's briefing on the shifting landscape of artificial intelligence. We will be back tomorrow with more updates on the digital transformation. For DX Today, stay curious.